In the world of digital displays, performance matters. But at Daktronics, we believe that service is what makes us stand out. Service that's proactive, prompt, and always personable. We don't just support displays, we support you. At Daktronics, we're committed to building lasting partnerships that help you succeed. Our relationship starts long before you ask for help. We take proactive steps to ensure your systems run flawlessly, anticipating needs and reducing any downtime that could occur.
The service side is what makes Daktronics. Yes, the product is good, but they've just been so good to work with. And whether there's a problem that they can't solve right away, they put people on it and find a way to get it solved.
We ensure reliability by proactively testing our components, incorporating module and signal redundancy in our designs, and conducting thorough display diagnostics and pre-event checks. Our dedicated team is committed to providing prompt support. We're always available and ready to assist whenever you need us.
One thing that's great about Daktronics is the wraparound support, that if you do have a problem, there is that 24/7 care, there's a service team you can get in touch with, there's helplines you can call. Daktronics go way above and beyond on that.
Our US-based repair center provides expert service and quick turnaround time to keep your equipment running smoothly, helping you minimize any potential downtime. But what truly makes us stand apart? It's our personable service. We know you, your venue, your business, and community.
When it comes to service, maintenance, anything that's going to go on with our variety of products, we have somebody who is dedicated to make sure that happens. And I think that's an advantage above all else.
When you choose Daktronics, you're not only gaining a powerful communication tool, but a dedicated service team that's with you every step of the way. Daktronics, service backed by people who care.